by the way.
Cool. Okay, here.
Okay, now they can see your face. No, it won't stay up.
I don't care. I don't care if they see my face.
So next thing, do this. See those little two notches in there?
Is it on?
No, yes.
They should fit
Okay,
right together.
so is the thing already back?
Yes. Wait. It's like
Next
cocked.
thing is next thing.
We can't have Nerf guns.
I know.
We laugh at cockics.
Button here.
See, maybe we need butter. You know that I'm not even lying right now.
Okay, butter's not gonna help.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
It's in my hair.
I love you. Okay, I think it's supposed to be because he's holding it up and then he pulls this back like easy.
It's jammed.
Teamwork.
Oh.
No, this is nothing.
It made me happy.
No. Pull this.
Really, really easy to put together.
No, it's not really
You're gonna
easy.
break your nail and then you're gonna get all pissed.
I know.
Okay,
I'm
take
crying.
this off, same thing. Twist off.
Okay.
Put on.
Can we uncock it?
This one's a little bit harder.
Try to uncock you.
It's uncocked.
No, it's not. If it was uncocked, you'd go forward.
Oh.
Push that down and then pull
It's
up
cocked
black,
permanently.
Because this thing isn't.
So it won't do anything. That's not that hard either.
I know.
We feel this.
What else is there? There's this thing. One of the attachments that you can put on it.
Why don't you shut up, kid who knows
Oh,
it
it's
all?
not like. Okay. I got it. Okay.
It comes like
Move
that.
this. See this little orange thing? Put it right there.